Welcome to my channel. How to change Wi-Fi password on NETGEAR router. First, make sure your NETGEAR router is plugged in and powered on. Connect your computer, laptop, or mobile phone to the NETGEAR Wi-Fi network, or use a LAN cable. Open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar, type www.routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1, sometimes 192.168.0.1, and press Enter. The NETGEAR login page will open. Enter your router's admin username and password, default username, admin, default password, password if you haven't changed it before. After login, go to the wireless settings or Wi-Fi settings option in the menu. You will see your SSID, Wi-Fi network name, and password/passphrase field. Delete the old password and type your new Wi-Fi password, minimum 8 characters, mix of letters, numbers, symbols recommended. Double-check your new password to avoid mistakes. Click on Apply or Save to update the settings. Your router will restart or refresh the Wi-Fi network for a moment. Now, reconnect all your devices, phone, laptop, TV, etc., using the new Wi-Fi password. Done. Your NETGEAR Wi-Fi password is successfully changed.